Hello, everybody. Welcome back. We're traveling south on Highway 191 today. We're coming into the town of Moab, Utah. I think right here on the left is the entrance to the Arches National Park. I'm thinking about maybe unloading the motorcycle and doing some investigating. I don't know yet. There's the entrance on the left. Cars and RVs already lining up. The sun is up and the heat of the day is coming on. I didn't realize coming into Moab that we'd be losing a couple thousand feet in elevation. I should have looked ahead. It's been hot. Really, since traveling the last couple of weeks and from southern Oregon to all through Nevada and now into Utah, it's been pretty warm. It's been real warm. Okay, and I've come to realize that it's easier to heat the RV than it is to cool it. So I'm thinking about maybe taking a side trip here, a little detour, taking a loop around and taking a little break from the heat. There's going to be plenty of this. We are going to come back into Utah. Well, okay, I'll spill it. I'm thinking about going over to Colorado. The mountains of Colorado are not too far from here. And we'll go way back up in elevation. It'll be cooler, maybe taking a break for a couple of days. Then making a loop and coming back into Utah a little further south. Now, I think up here is where the Colorado River cuts through the canyon. This is pretty early on, so it eventually goes down and makes the big cut, and which forms the Grand Canyon. So there's going to be miles and miles and just a huge area. All of this region or part of Utah, all the south and southeast of Utah is all this kind of landscape. So there's going to be plenty more opportunities to see this, all the red rock and the canyons and everything. I do eventually want to probably cut back through and go to Monument Valley and visit the Grand Canyon. But right now I'm really kind of feeling the need to maybe take a little break from the heat. So I do need to take care of business here in Moab. I'm still in search for that a new spare tire. So I haven't even called the tire store. I need to stop and call them. Well, there sure as heck wasn't one back in Green River. So he said my best bet is maybe there's a tire shop in Moab that would have one. All right, yeah, here's where we cross the Colorado River. Beautiful landscape. So I need to stop and call the tire shop and even see if they even have one or can get one. I knew there wasn't one in Green River, so he pointed me this way. I thought, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and go. They'll either have one or they won't, or they can get one. It was my next best shot. So we'll see what happens. So we just passed the place that an outfitter for rock climbing, take you on rock climbing expeditions. And it looks like there was side-by-side rentals. Look, a little old camper. Restaurants. Jeeps. Yeah, this would be good territory to own a Jeep, wouldn't it? Restaurants and shops. Another piece of business I need to take care of here too is there is an office supply place here. and I haven't been able to find something I need for work. So I need to check on my tire and see if they have the right size printer paper. So a little bit of business to take care of here in town. Yep, lots of Jeeps and other off-road vehicles. And I seen back there too, there's a place to rent motorcycles and side-by-sides. That'd be a lot of fun. Alright, here's the office supply place. I gotta go see what they have. Good news and bad news. The good news is I finally found somebody that carried the big 11 by 17 printer paper that I've been looking for. The bad news is no tires for the RV here. And the guy didn't even offer to special order one in. But the other good news is, to the southeast, about 100 miles to the southeast in southwest Colorado, in Cortez, Colorado, there is a tire shop. He will special order me one in for a great price too. So actually, at that price, I was tempted to just get me 4 of them. I put all new tires on the back of the bounder, put fresh ones on there. But anyway, for a great price, they're going to get one in. Take them a couple days to get it in, so my tire's on the way. Okay, I looked on online a little bit about what is in Moab, and it appears there's a dog park, so Bella could use that. That is for sure. So we're gonna get over to the dog park for a little while, maybe. Okay, this should be it. Dog park should be right up here on the right. And lucky us, looks like there's going to be some shade to park in. Yay. Perfect. We'll take it. What's this? What's this? Dog park. Come on, wait a minute, wait. Come here. Wait, but there's no other dogs here to play with. There's no dogs to play with. I got the place all to myself. Here, come here. Okay, go. She says there's a lot of sniffing to do here. Come on. Okay, so she's off leash. She says, but there's nobody to play with. I need another dog. She says, I need another dog to chase. She loves chasing or being chased. Get out of there. Yuck. Get out of that. Somebody didn't pick up after their doggy. Bella found it. Well, at least that gets her off leash and she can even just wander around at her leisure. There's no green grass, but this is kind of sandy and there's enough shade that it is loose dirt or sand, so it's kind of soft and cool. So yeah, nice shady spot to sit in. There she goes. I don't know what she's after. Come on, this way. Buttercup. Bubba, come on. Here she comes. Just the place to run. Now she's got the place half sniffed out. Maybe she'll run around a little bit. Hey, somebody left the ball behind. Come on, look at this. Bella, 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 Bella. Bella. I think she's looking for a place to do her stuff. Da, da, da. Look. Look what I found. Ready? 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 Get it. Go on, get it. Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Dog parks just aren't as fun when there's not another dog to play with. Come on, this way. Bella, Bella, this way. Come on. Oh good, another dog's here. Well, some other dogs did come, and some other people. It was nice to sit around and have a conversation and for the dogs to all play together. Not all dogs like to run and chase each other, so Bella, that's Bella's game. She loves to run, loves to chase. Finally, a dog came that enjoyed that too, so she got what she really needed, was to run around and around and around, really get a good exercise in. That was really good for that to happen. Oh, there goes Bella's play friend now. Just a young 6-month-old puppy that could run pretty dang good. Okay, so in some conversation at the dog park, a lady told me about, she says, is that your rig, you know, the bounder? And she just loves it. Her and her husband used to have an old Southwind, and they had she had good memories of it, and she just loved the bounder. But I was telling her about traveling in town looking for a tire, and she recommended this a tire store just south of town. I called them, they didn't have it, new or used, and they can't even get it. Their supplier doesn't carry them. So I called the place back I talked to earlier in Cortez, Colorado. We will be going south through Monticello, Utah, and head east through Dove Creek, and eventually down to Cortez, Colorado for a tire. Yeah, I don't like wandering around without a spare. Could easily been stuck out there. Calling roadside, and hopefully, yeah, how long would have it taken them to find a spare? I could have been out there a long time waiting on roadside assistance. They would probably charge me $400 for the tire. I don't know how much of my insurance would have covered any, maybe just the service. I probably had to pay for the tire. Anyway, I got it handled. Okay, honestly, I think the heat's starting to get to me. It has been pretty warm in this region, and I think I want to go south to Monticello, where it's about 10 degrees cooler. Take a little bit of a break from the heat. We almost seen an automobile accident. And tomorrow's supposed to be even hotter. I'd like to spend more time in Moab. I don't know if we'll ever get out of this traffic. Well, we're gonna leave up the southern end of Moab. I need to go south there a little bit, gain about 3,000 or 4,000 feet in elevation, where it's a little cooler. Tomorrow's supposed to be even hotter, but Moab, I wish I'd run about 2 weeks later than what I am. Moab's fantastic. It's touristy and trendy, and there's so many shops, and yet it's retained a nice, Western feel to it. This would be a place I would mark to plan to spend some time in. Plan a week or two, park it somewhere, explore, do all kinds of things. There's very few places I've ever marked on my. The other one was where's that place in Tennessee? Help me out here. Gatlinburg? No, it's right by Gatlinburg. Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. That's another, to me, just a real prime spot of scenic and things to see and do. Place to eat, shop, and recreate. Yeah, if I'm back out this way again, whether I'm traveling alone or if I'm traveling with people, somebody says, hey, let's go that route, let's go down through Moab. I'll be like, I'm on board for that. It may be late, very late September, early October. It's still too warm here. And I'm feeling it. I need to get out of the heat for a while. And I'm not going to go plug in an RV park. I've done enough of that lately. We're going in the direction to where our new tire is going to be at. It'll be cooler, closer to my new tire. I won't be able to relax properly either, though I know I have a good spare tire on board again. So there's that. Alright. Off to higher elevations.